Hey guys, welcome to this video. And Google is kind of cooking yet again, and they have just released Nano Banana Pro. Now, I've been waiting for a Nano Banana update for a very specific reason. I'm going to show you that reason in this video. Now, for me, this is actually a very, very useful update. Now, just before we get into this video, guys, if you want to support me or if you want to learn a little bit more about AI, vibe coding, and everything like that, consider joining the Skool community. I'll leave a link to it in the description of this video. Okay, so what is this update and why does it matter? It matters specifically for me because we can finally do something that previously didn't work. So if I say, make me a thumbnail 1280 by 720 for a video called Nano Banana Pro is absolutely insane. And then let's just actually add an image of me real quick. And we'll run this and we'll just see how quick this actually is. This is real time. I'm not going to pause the video, so we'll just see. Now, I'm also not changing resolution here now, or aspect ratio. You could change aspect ratio to 16:9, I think it is, if you want it to be 1280 by 720. There it is. Wow, that's crazy. Look at that. Okay, so this is the update, right? It can finally do 1280 by 720 out the box, right? Which is really, really cool. Not only that, the quality of that is absolutely insanely good. The text is perfect. Really, really impressed. So let's have a little look at some other examples that they've got here. So create a fashion product collage on a brown corkboard based on this outfit. So let's run that real quick. Okay, so this is where you can start to see the real power of this model. The text is completely perfect. And not only that, you can start to see how you could build social media images and other things like that using this model. Let's just go back here, go back to Nano Banana Pro. Let's have a look at this. Okay, so this one is create an orthographic blueprint that describes this building in plan, elevation, and section, format 16:9. So the main thing that they've changed here is the fact that it respects resolution. That is why this is a good update for me personally. Not only is the quality improved, but it actually respects, finally, resolution and things like that, which means it has so many more use cases. So for example, if we go on to build here, and we're going to use Gemini 3 Pro preview, Nano Banana powered app. I don't want to use Gemini 2.5 flash image though, so it looks like you can't actually use the new Nano Banana here. But once you can use the new Nano Banana Pro, just picture this for a second. Imagine an app that does social media posts and everything for companies. That is now not only possible, but extremely easy to build. Let's do the final one here. So create an illustrated example detailing physics of the fluid dynamics that occur in this image and what happens next, format 16:9. So this is the final example that Google has given us themselves. I'm really, really excited about this update. Normally I don't care about image gen, but image gen from the latest Google model, and not only that, but it's like built inside Gemini 3, that is where they start to really, really cook. Okay, interesting. So it's giving me a completely different one to the example that they gave me. Let's just check the text here. Looks pretty perfect. Yep. Entrainment creates bubbles and turbulence. Fluid rushes to fill the void, creates a central jet, and driving the object deeper. Okay, so it looks like they have finally completely nailed text. Now, there are some really interesting use cases to this. So, for example, you could create a AI image text corrector, right? So obviously everyone knows a lot of AI images have a lot of issues with text. So imagine if you created a tool specifically using Nano Banana Pro to fix that problem. That's another very, very interesting use case. Let's see if the developer docs here are working. They are. Text input $2, output $12. Image output per image. So output per image is 0.134. Very, very interesting stuff indeed, I have to say. That's not even that expensive. So now you can make an entire thumbnail for a really, really good price. Let's just try and create myself a thumbnail for this video real quick. So let's just go to, okay, so let's say, describe me a thumbnail in detail for the new Nano Banana Pro launch that your, Pro launch. Okay, so let's say run here. Okay, so these are all of the descriptions. I have no idea which one to go for. Let's just go for this one, I guess. And then let's go playground and images. Okay. And then let's add that image of myself. Okay, wow, that is really, really cool, actually. So yeah, you can get it to basically describe a thumbnail and then create the thumbnail. That's really, really amazing for me and also for other creators. Okay, but let's say, okay, this is good, but A, I want to be in it, and B, I need more of a psychological thumbnail so people can't resist but click. So add some kind of intrigue or reason to click. Also give me 5 titles for the video. Nano Banana Pro is the latest image gen model from Gemini/Google. Okay, that's pretty funny. What has it done to my face? Jesus. That's actually really interesting. Okay, I mean, it's not perfect. It's not a great thumbnail or anything. I wouldn't use this personally, but they've fixed the text for sure. They've definitely dropped something here that is really, really starting to push the boundaries of what's possible with image gen. So shout out to Google. They've actually done a very, very good job here. Does anyone else hate the name Nano Banana though? I don't know what the hell they were thinking with that name. I think what I'm going to do here is I'm probably going to make an MCP or something so that Claude or DigitalOcean or whatever can use this. Sorry, not DigitalOcean, Codex. I'm just going to try one more thing. I'm going to say make me a stunning UI UX homepage plus header plus footer for a directory about heritage sites in the Republic of Ireland, and then run this. This is where it might start to get super, super fucking interesting. Imagine it can do an entire UI UX design, which you could then feed to Gemini, and then build it, right? That would be interesting. That would be super interesting. This is going to be the last test that I'm doing, that I do on. Okay. Guys, I think I might have just discovered something. Wow. Okay, so imagine now you could say, give me the CSS for this, right? Give me the CSS for this. Wait, give me the HTML and CSS for this. I wonder if it can do that. And if it can, holy fuck, that's crazy. Yep. Okay. Wait, can you give me in one file? That's crazy. It's just literally just. Oh man, UI UX might be cooked, guys. I'm not gonna lie. Holy shit, that's impressive. Can it really just give me this? Nah, surely not. Oh, it's giving it. It's literally just giving me everything. Okay, so the last thing is this accurate? So let's go on google.com, W3 schools, try it, editor, or editor. I don't know why I said editor. I don't think I've said editor in my entire life. I'm pretty tired, guys, by the way, just so you know. It's been a wild few days in terms of AI updates and work and streaming and, real life stuff, not even included. So apologies if I do sound a little bit weird. I'm just really, really tired right now. It's 7 p.m. I've been getting up at 6 a.m. basically every day. I'm really, really trying to kind of make a change with what time I get up and stuff. Let's see. Level 3 schools, try editor, run. Okay. Kind of cooking, guys. Kind of cooking. You could take this now and feed this to, Codex or Gemini CLI or even Claude Code and say, make me a WordPress directory using this using this layout or whatever. That's crazy, guys. I'm very, very impressed by that. UI, UX might be cooked. I'll leave the video there for now. Going to be streaming tomorrow. Definitely check out the stream if you're around. Thank you so much for watching. Check out the Skool community as well. If you're watching all the way to the end of the video, you're an absolute legend. I'll see you very, very soon with some more content. Peace out.